quiero, amor. Sí, conocí al sur de la frontera.
Nighttime would find me in Rose's cantina. Music would play and Felina would whirl. Blacker than night were the eyes of Felina, wicked and evil while casting a spell. My love was deep for this Mexican maiden. I was in love but in vain, I could tell. Did you know that one night a wild young cowboy came in? One night a wild young cowboy came in. Wild as the West Texas wind, wild as the West Texas wind. And dashing and daring, a drink he was sharing with wicked Felina, the girl that I love. So in anger, a challenge is right for her. Down with his hands for the gun that he wore. Just for a moment I stood there in silence. What an abominable deed I had done. Many things raced through my mind as I stood there. I had but one chance and that was to run. So out through the back door of Roses I ran, out where the horses were tied. I caught a good one that looked like it could run, and up on his back and away I did ride, just as fast as I took from the hills of El Paso, out through the badlands of New Mexico. Back in El Paso, my life would be worthless. Everything's going like nothing is left, you know. It's been so long since I seen a young maiden. My love is stronger